Hey gang, it's your girl Simply Shantes, and I'm coming to you live again with another unboxing as I promised. So, I've ordered a few things from Amazon that I want to reveal to you all, but I want to do this revealing spurt by spurt because after I reveal all of the pieces that I've ordered, I'm gonna go ahead and do a demonstration that involves the skin for some of you at home to follow. So again, this is another unboxing coming to you live at Simply Shantes. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. So in the mail, you guys, I received my Hollywood makeup mirror. If you're a woman, if you're a teenager, if you're just a girly girl, to have a Hollywood makeup mirror is something that we all may have desired at one point in our life, or even to have a vanity set. It's just something that makes our bedroom and our personal space so much more better with these particular items. I'm not really big on makeup, but makeup is something that I do plan to get more into, but I am a skin person, you all. However, I've ordered my first Hollywood makeup mirror. It comes with the light bulbs, 12 bulbs, and it's by Hansong. So, it was made in China, of course. And I believe with this particular style of a mirror, I did get it warranted, possibly for 2 years, 2 or 3 years. The color of this particular item is white. So I've already started out with opening the top with the scissors. So I'm going to go ahead, guys, and just pull it out, and then we'll go from there. Okay? Cool. So as you can see, this item is safely encased. It's encased in a top and bottom foam square. It's encapsulated inside of this square envelope or encapsulated, whatever you want to call it. So I removed the product from the box. I'm going to just set the box to the side now. And I'm left with the product. So as you can see, the mirror, as I was explaining, is a Hollywood mirror with bulbs. It comes with 12 bulbs, and this is my very first edition. In the future, I do plan to get a larger Hollywood mirror, but for now, I'm just going to go ahead and work with this one. So the color is white. I'm excited about it. And look like it comes with a few pieces that you have to put together. So let's see how that goes. So here I have a charger, you all. I have a charger. I'm going to go ahead and unravel that or set it to the side for now. Here I have almost like a magnifying mirror. I remember when I ordered this online, this particular mirror was situated on the main mirror. But this is a magnifier mirror. For close-up for when you're doing makeup to your eyebrows, you know, sir. Oh. Yes, gang. And so this Hollywood mirror has 12 bulbs, and as I was explaining, this is the magnifying glass. It's a magnifying glass times 10, actually. So this is great for whenever you're plucking or tweezing or waxing your eyebrows yourself, or maybe you're applying eye makeup or any sort of type of makeup, or maybe you're tweezing. But this particular mirror is really good for close-ups, those close-ups that you need to make sure your makeup is not smudged, or just if you just want to take a closer look at your skin. So this is really good. And this actually goes on the Hollywood mirror itself. So I thought that was pretty neat. This is an instruction manual, and I'm sure it will show me how to put it together from start to finish. It also kind of shows what comes along with the mirror. So I will be looking at this for instructions. And this is also somewhat of a digital modernized type of Hollywood mirror. And what I mean by that, it has button controls on it, where you can turn it on and off with the power button. And you can also kind of, flex the light. If you want the light flexed up for a brighter presentation, you could press it. Or if you want it down, you can just go down with the lighting. So this mirror comes with buttons and also with lighting change. So I'll set that aside. And this here is a cleanser cloth. This cleanser cloth, of course, is for the mirror itself. If you want to cleanse the mirror or the bulbs, or if you want to cleanse the magnifying mirror that comes with it. So that's pretty good too. And I think this is pretty much, it's not a lot to put together from that manual I just looked at. So I'm going to just go ahead and stand it up. I want to move this out of the way, gang, and turn it around, and ta-da! Here it is. My first Hollywood mirror, you all. I'm going to set that aside. And again, if you look closely right here, this is what the digital power buttons look like. You have the power button in the middle, and you have lights on the side where you can turn the lighting up or down. So this is it. This is really nice, you all. So this is the reveal. This is the unboxing that I wanted to show you all. And also, I believe I paid less than $70 for this, for the style of mirror itself, and also for shipping and handling. And as you can see, it's on a flex board. You could tilt it up or you could tilt it down. But the tilting is really good, you all, because so yes, you could tilt it up, as I explained, or you could tilt it down. And that's really good because no matter what position you're in, whether you're standing or sitting, this is a great mirror. I'm going to go ahead and get it powered up, you guys, and I'll come back to you shortly so you can see how that look as well. But again, this is my unboxing. I'm Simply Shantaz. Please follow me for creative content. Please follow me for lifestyle content. And as I go along with growing my channel, I would like you to journey with me. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, gang. I'll be back.